Storytime at Home. Presented by Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County.
Hi, I'm Ms. Heather from the Loveland Branch Library, and since we were reading a book about the moon today, I thought it would be fun to sing a song about going to the moon. But this is a song you have to stand up for, so everybody come on, get up, stand up. And there's a few actions you have to know too. The first action is the zoom hands. This is the zoom hands. See if you can move your hands like that and make a sliding sound. And then try to do it really fast. Okay, I think you've gotten that down. That's the zoom hands. Now show me your 5 fingers on one hand. That's right, 5 fingers. We're going to count from 5 to 0. And as we count down, we're going to go down towards the ground slowly. So when we're at 0, we're going to be all the way down at the ground. So let's practice this. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then we're going to go blast off. Okay. So you're standing up, we're ready to learn this song. It's called Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. Get those zoom hands going. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Give yourselves a hand. That's the Zoom song. Today, I've chosen a book I love, about something you might see outside your window at night. This is something that's bright, and sometimes it's a circle. Sometimes it might be a half circle, and sometimes it might only be a sliver, a curve that's called a cat's claw or a crescent. Do you know what that is? Bright. Outside your window? That's right. It's the moon. And the book today is called Big Mooncake for Little Star. I've checked it out from the library through Overdrive, and I'm going to read it in the browser. A Big Mooncake for Little Star by Grace Lynn. Oh, and here we see a little girl. What's she doing? She's dumping something in a bowl. Looks like she might be baking. Is she all alone? No. If you look in the bigger picture here, both pages, you can see she's with a woman who turns out to be her mom, and they're making a big round cake. Big mooncake for Little Star. Little Star's mama laid the big mooncake onto the night sky to cool. Now, Little Star, Mama said, your mooncake took us a long time to bake, so let's see if you can make it last a while. Can you remember not to touch this big mooncake until I tell you? Yes, Mama, said Little Star, nodding. And Little Star remembered as she brushed her teeth, washed her face, snuggled into bed, and fell asleep. But in the middle of the night, Little Star woke up. There she is. She forgot everything her mama had said and only remembered the big mooncake. Look at it. It's so bright. Pat, 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 pat. She tiptoed. Little Star's soft feet tiptoed to the big mooncake. Can you tiptoe? Would her mama notice if she took just a tiny nibble? Little Star didn't think so. Yum! But was someone coming? Little Star flew back to bed. The next night, Little Star remembered the big mooncake again. That one bite had been so sweet and tasty. Was the cake still there? How's she gonna find out? Yeah, that's right. Let's tiptoe again. Yes, it was. There was big mooncake, an almost perfect circle, all alone and delicious in the sky. Would her mama notice if she took another tiny nibble? Little Star didn't think so. Nibble, nibble, yum. Yum! Little Star flew back to bed. And the next night, what do you think Little Star remembered? That's right, the big mooncake, of course. Would Mama notice if she took another tiny nibble? Little Star didn't think so. Yum! Can you show me how Little Star eats the mooncake? You can pretend to eat some mooncake too. I think it tastes sweet. And the night after that, what did Little Star do? That's right. Nibble, 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 nibble. Yum! And what do you notice about that mooncake? It's not quite a perfect circle anymore. It's getting smaller. Night after night, Little Star took tiny nibble after tiny nibble of the big mooncake. Here we go across the page. Starts off big, it gets slowly smaller. And here it looks like only half the cake. And then it's less than half the cake. Oh, and it's becoming just a crescent, a cat's claw, a sliver, and she's still eating. Until one night, Little Star's mama went to look for the big mooncake. Where was it? It was gone. Instead of a glowing round cake, there was just a trail of twinkling crumbs. Little Star, her mama said, shaking her head, even though her mouth was curving. You ate the big mooncake again, didn't you? Little Star looked up, her grin reflecting her mama's smile. It's kind of interesting to look at her smile. It's curved a little bit like the moon curves at the end of its cycle. Yes, Mama, Little Star said, nodding. I ate that mooncake. Now, let's go make another one. And they do. Look at that, they have a big bowl, putting in something, maybe sugar, maybe salt. There's a spoon, they're gonna stir it. And there's a rolling pin. Can you find the rolling pin? You know how you use a rolling pin, right? You push, push, and pull. Push, push, and pull. Oh, and look at the time. Looks like it's almost midnight. They made another cake. I wonder if Little Star is going to eat that cake again. That is the end of a big mooncake for Little Star. If you enjoyed that book about the moon, try singing a song about the moon too. I've recorded one and you can sing along with me, but you do have to stand up for it and move around. Thanks for reading with me. See you again next time.
Get 3 books in the mail. Sign up today. Go to Ohio Imagination Library.org to find out more.